Hey, good to see you this week. It is a tutorial with a twist. Y'all know my husband is an actor. He's done a lot of voice acting, 400 plus titles, EP and star of Star Trek Continues, the best Captain Kirk since the original. So I thought it would be really funny, fun, interesting to have Vic do my voiceover. I'm going to do a fall makeup tutorial, and in fairness to the poor guy, he isn't gonna know what on, well, okay, let me rephrase that. He may know some products because as an actor, he has worn some makeup, but this could be very fun and interesting. And I will tell you, just to help you out and maybe a little hint for him, the fall makeup trend that I'm playing into is coffee colors. Browns are everywhere. Plums too, but I've already done plum tutorials, so I'm gonna focus on the coffee collection. We're gonna just wake up together, get our faces on. Fall makeup is way more dialed in, let's say, than spring and summer with all the kind of dewy, natural, eased back type of a look. We are now pushing in, pressing forward, having a little bit more fun with our makeup. And it's been a while since I've done something like this, so I'm excited. At this point, I'm gonna zip it and I'm going to let Vic take over. Here we go. Oh, wait. We're gonna put everything in the description portion of this video. I'm sorry, I can't stop talking. Everything will be in the description because he's not gonna know what it is and you may wanna know what it is. So it's all there for you. Okay, now done.
Welcome to a fall makeup tutorial.
Hi, this is Vic, everybody, so let's get into it. First, I'm going to use this moisturizer. It soothes my skin, evens out the skin tones. If you're interested, I just showed you. And now I'm going to use this Merit chapstick. Interesting name. And I'm going to apply it, notice, the cheeks, the nose, the forehead, around the chin. And then, of course, you must smooth it out and blend it all in with this brush all over so you get a nice even coverage. Oh, it's looking better already. I love my forehead and my nose, and a little touch up around the chin, around the jawline. You see that? I'm sure it helps accentuate the jaw, and more paintbrush. Ooh, that tickles the ear a little bit. Notice how she does this, and she's so good at it. I'm sure she would say this hydrates and evens out the skin tones and highlights your bone structure. Thank me later. I don't know what this does, but it requires a smaller paintbrush. Okay, we're going to highlight our eyelids, probably to make our eyes pop. That would be my guess. Notice how I dab it with my finger to smooth it out. And next we're going to use this pencil, I think. Okay. This is for filling in and accentuating the eyebrows. Not everyone has smooth, even eyebrows, so this helps fill in any missing spaces. And if you're an artist, you can draw nice pictures with it. I was thinking sometimes I do this in the first person and then sometimes as a commentary. But let's move on to typology. And I have no idea what it does until she opens it. Oh, okay. It's to further enhance the eyebrows. It's a brush, not like a paintbrush, but a different sort of applicator. Kind of looks like a mini version of those things that roll over your car in the car wash, you know? But I digress. And finite. Okay. Now we're going to break open the coffee-themed paint palette of beauty with a mid-sized brush. Notice where she's putting this. She's starting with a reddish color, and she's putting it just above the eyelashes on the upper eyelids. And then she's going to blend in with more of a skin tone, and it looks like it kind of smooths out the hard line between the red coloring and the flesh tone. Blend, blend, blend. It's all about blending. Oh, I'm going to go dark now. She's going to go dark, and she's going to go toward the outside of the eye. We must ensure that we don't put too much on, because then we might look like we got punched. And blending, all about blending. Starting with the darker on the outside. Oh, okay, now we're going to highlight. I remember this from makeup in theater. Sometimes you want to accentuate certain areas and decentuate others. And notice where she's applying it, too. Under the eyebrows and blending in. It probably lifts the eye. Sounds like something she would say. And now we're going with this tool, instrument, device, and it's an eyeliner. I'm assuming, since she's lining the eyes. She's right, I know very little about makeup, but lining the eyes to help draw attention to the eyes, the window to the soul, as it were, and just lightly at the very corner. And now she's going to go back to the dark color. It reminds me of an artist who's painting a beautiful portrait with all the brushes and pigments, yeah. Spends a lot of time around the eye because I'm sure that's very important. And now we're going to another tube with another brush. Oh, wait, is this the same one as before? No, this is for eyelashes. Although this still looks like one of the things that comes down and rolls over your car in the car wash. But this is going to be used to extend and darken and accentuate the eyelashes. What will I use now? Back to the palette. It's skin tone color, and she's putting it under the eyes. I must confess I have no idea why.
But it certainly looks good.
And blending. Blending. Very important. And looks good so far. So far, so good. Keep the hair out of the ears. Yes. Caterpillars. No, wait, she's applying these lashes. I'm going to guess this is some sort of adhesive made by Kiss, not the band, I assume. And she's going to now apply the caterpillar / fake eyelashes. She'll probably kill me for saying this, but I find these fake eyelashes all the time on the floor. Now, I'm going to guess these things are going to thicken and lengthen your eyelashes. I think don't they make magnetic ones too? Oh, yes, it looks perfect. Yes, exactly as I planned. Yes, 2 thumbs up, definitely. But you don't just want to do it on one, you want to do it on both. And notice how it was just on the outside, too. Did you notice that? It wasn't all the way across, just on the outside. But, of course, if she now puts one on the inside, I'm going to feel a little foolish. Lunchtime. I don't think that's what she said. One more thing, maybe? I don't know, because I can't hear anything. Okay, back to the big brush. This might be to cover dark circles if you have those in the morning. And a little bit on the bridge of the nose, too. It's a cream, though, that comes out of a toothpaste-type tube. Blending. That's the word of the day. Blending. Touching up certain areas. Lovely. Beautiful. Now back to typology from Paris. Oh, it's powder. Okay, I know what this is. Thank heavens I knew what one thing was. It's a powder that we will use, and more powder. Why is this different? This is different powder from a different box with a bigger brush. Okay, this is for more coverage, just a larger area. The first one was under the eyes, so this is just... Oh, and now she's going to highlight the cheekbones. I know about this too. It looks like a brown Sharpie, but I'm sure that's not what it is. Leave it just like that. Perfect. Don't blend it. I was kind of hoping she would leave those lines. But notice how when she blends it in, it adds the shadow in these specific places to help highlight the bone structure. Decentuate, I should say even. Decentuate. Good. Okay, what's next? Another box of colors. But these are more reddish. They have a little more of a red-pink tint to them. And where's she going with it? Underneath the lines that she put in to help, again, accentuate the cheekbones. Or is that called blush? Bring out the cheekbones. And blending. There's a lot of blending that goes on here. And now we're going to use, is it NYX? For outlining the lips, which of course will accentuate them and draw focus for smooching. Oscar's going to love that, I'm sure. And another tube of something. I have no idea what these things are until she starts. Is it lip gloss or lipstick? It's very shiny, so maybe it's lip gloss, or maybe it's both. And I just noticed she just basically did it on the upper lip, and then she rubs them together. And she's going to dab it with the finger to blend it in. And, we're going back to it. Wait for, now the lower lip. And a touch on the upper. But you still rub them together. I remember that part. Apparently she feels like that area needs a little more. Looking good. Final looks, everyone. That's what a lot of makeup artists say. And Viola. Perfection. the finished product. How beautiful. Ah, that smile. Makeup, hair, absolutely lovely.
You've been watching Dominique Sachse's fall makeup tutorial. Comment, like, and subscribe for more exciting content.
Hey. And she thanks you. And I thank you too for putting up with my commentary. God bless you guys.